We produce high-quality, technologically advanced equipment by applying a manufacturing concept that's based on lean production. Motivated staff, short processing times, low stock levels and versatile machinery and systems are essential elements of the Viessmann production system. In all manufacturing steps, our employees are of central importance, as it is they who produce the innovative products our customers demand. Using their creativity and ingenuity, our staff work towards the continuous improvement of our production processes. Individual teams set themselves tasks and objectives, and subsequently, after suggestions for improvement have been implemented, which occurs directly in parallel with the production process, evaluate how effective the improvements have been. The value-adding steps within a section of work always follow the same procedure. Our staff act in accordance with a tested standard that they develop and improve continuously, and which is precisely adapted to the particular process in hand. It goes without saying that the materials we use are of exceptionally high quality. Faulty parts are discussed daily with the technical departments and our suppliers in order to ensure the quality of our finished products. Staff are continually given training on the products themselves, and information on the component identification board ensures that errors are prevented. Employees' work, such as here for example, where soldering is taking place in the production of heat pumps, is carried out with great care, so that the subsequent tightness test, which every soldered unit in the heat pump production process undergoes, meets the high expectations. The product range can be changed with no downtime. This enables us to respond quickly to demand for different product versions and output capacities. In the assembly areas, we have converted from workshop production to line production or U-cells with short paths. The adaptability this gives us allows us to respond with greater flexibility at times of increased customer demand and to put extra staff in place. We have designed all production areas to be bright and open. All of the tools required are supplied to the workstations from above, so a workstation can be reconfigured at any time. This way we can accurately match production organization to demand. Individual parts and assemblies are manufactured in other Viessmann production areas. This concerns the manufacture of heat exchanger components, for example. Tubes are created from a steel coil and then precisely formed in the internal coil bending machine. Sheet steel is blanked in fully automatic plants and shaped with the required returns. Sheet steel and components are processed with high precision in advanced laser systems that operate both in the 2D and 3D range. In surface finishing, the fully prepared components for product casings are powder-coated in a continuous process, stove enamelled, cooled, and finally made available to the production lines. At the final assembly stage, material and feed control are oriented to the expectations of the customer. This allows us to achieve an organized production flow with short processing times and low stock levels. The required materials from suppliers, plus individual components and assemblies from other Viessmann production areas, are made available in the delivery zone of the so-called supermarket. Here, logistics staff replenish the empty containers that are returned from the assembly areas. On the issuing side, the empty containers return from the production lines to the supermarket. In exchange, the filled containers are then made available again via the issuing system to be transported to the individual lines. Delivery from the supermarket to the assembly lines is made by logistics trains, so we ensure demand-oriented material replenishment. The member of staff responsible for detailed logistics makes the required materials available within the assembly lines and distributes them to the assembly locations according to demand. Assembly follows the same principle as used in surgery. Each member of the production team is handed the required material for their work exactly as and when needed. Last but by no means least, all products are subjected to extensive tests before they are packed and delivered to our customers. Top quality from Viessmann.